Alright, listen. Do you see this Google map here? It's a map of the United States. What I did was, I used Google Maps and tried to earn a few $100s in just 4 hours. And you know what? After working for a while, I managed to make $663. Here's how I did it. I picked the United States because I thought there would be more opportunities to make money there. Then, I searched for local businesses in a particular town in the US. After that, I offered them a service that they would be willing to pay me around $200 to $300. To fulfill that service, I used another website called Fiverr. So, if you're interested in making money using the same method, just stay with me until the end, and I'll explain everything step by step. So for this method, we are going to focus on the United States. However, it's important to note that if you live in Mexico, you can target Mexico, and if you're from Canada, you can target Canada. The idea is to choose the country where you are located. Now let's see what you need to do next. First, you need to find a local town in the country you selected. Then, your goal is to find local shops in that town to offer them a service. Let's take an example. Suppose you're looking for local shops in Lexington. In that case, you can simply search for painter in Lexington, US on Google. When you search for this term, you'll notice that there are many local painters listed on Google Maps. Interestingly, the painters who rank higher on Google Maps are likely to have more customers, which means they are making more money. On the other hand, those who rank lower may not be getting as many customers and may be making less money. If you scroll all the way to the bottom of the search results, you'll find painters with fewer reviews, and some of them don't have any website for their business. If you're in the United States, you can also focus on painters who don't have a website. This presents an opportunity for you to offer website building services to them. However, if a painter already has a website, you need to visit their website. Let's take an example of a painter's website called Gold Brush Painting and Repair. When we visit this website, we can see that it doesn't look very professional. This lack of professionalism might be the reason why they are not ranking well on Google. It's important to remember that all painters want to rank higher on Google Maps because that helps them attract more customers and make more money. So, what you can do is contact these painters. They often provide their phone numbers and sometimes even their email addresses on their websites. If you are in the United States, you can call them and explain that you run a digital marketing agency. You can offer to help them create a better website and improve their ranking on Google. And don't worry, I'll provide you with a cold call template by the end of this tutorial. Since these shops are small, it's easier to contact their owners. That's why this method can be an effective way to make money online. Let's take an example. Lexington Painting Solutions doesn't have any reviews. However, if we open their website, we can see that it is well designed. Despite that, they still struggle to receive reviews and achieve a higher ranking on Google Maps. This suggests that their website is not properly optimized for search engines. In this case, we can offer them an SEO service to improve their ranking, which can help them attract more customers and earn more money. If you are a citizen of the USA, you can call them directly. But if you are located in a different country like Canada, the United Kingdom, or India, you can apply the same approach to businesses in your target location. Just find their website, identify a problem that the local shop has, and then provide them with a solution. However, if you want to target an international market, for example, if you are in India but want to target shops in the United States, you'll need to find their email addresses instead of making a phone call. You might be wondering, how can you provide the service if you're not a web developer or a local SEO expert? It's actually quite simple. Just go to Fiverr and search for WordPress website development. When you search for that term, you'll find many services offering WordPress website development. Now here's what you need to do. Set a budget, let's say a maximum of $30. When you apply this budget filter, Fiverr will show you all the WordPress website development services that cost around $30 or less. From these options, you need to find a service provider with excellent reviews and reasonable pricing. For example, here, I find a seller who offers responsive WordPress website development for just $25. When I open his service, you'll see that this seller has received 141 reviews, all of them being 5 stars, which means he is highly rated. Now, you simply contact him and explain that you need a website developed for your painting business and ask him about his charges for the service. You have to repeat this process with several freelancers. Look for those who are developing WordPress websites for around $30 or less and have good reviews. This way, you can find a service provider who has both positive reviews and is willing to create a website for you at a reasonable price. Now let's imagine that the freelancers are charging you $100 for the website development service. If you can successfully close a deal with a local shop owner and charge them, let's say $200 or $250, then you will have a profit margin of $100 to $150 for each client. All you need to do is explain to the shop owner the issues their website currently faces and highlight the benefits they will gain from having a professional WordPress website or making their website more SEO friendly. And listen, you can also offer them SEO services. If we return to Fiverr and search for local map SEO, we can find a service provider that is recognized as a Fiverr choice provider and offers top local SEO services for Google Maps. This is exactly what we are looking for. And guess what? This freelancer offers the service for just $20. Imagine this scenario. You call the shop owner and explain that although they have a good website, it is not ranking well on local Google Maps, resulting in fewer clients. However, you are there to help them improve their local map SEO and rank higher on Google Maps. For this valuable service, you will charge them $200. Then some of the owners will agree to take your services because every business wants to attract more customers and make more money. Not only can you target painters, but you can also focus on various other local businesses, such as barbershops. You can find numerous barbershops listed on Google Maps, some of which rank well, and others that don't rank as well. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the search results and look for their phone numbers or email addresses. Then, you can reach out to them. Now, you might be wondering, what should I say to close the sales deal? It's actually quite simple. You can use a helpful tool called ChatGPT. Just ask ChatGPT to provide you with a cold call template that can effectively convert potential clients. When you make this request, ChatGPT will provide you with a perfect cold calling template that you can use to close the deal successfully. This is how you can effectively generate income using Google Maps. Now, if you want to make money from the CLICKBANK affiliate program, I recommend you to join this free training on CLICKBANK affiliate marketing. It's completely free, but you will get a ton of value from this. You can find the link in the description. Till now, stay happy and do consider subscribe this channel.